Lexus has launched a new version of the UX 250h in the United Kingdom, dubbed the Premium Sport Edition. Based on the UX Premium Pack grade, it features a black grille, side mirror caps, roof rails, headlamp units and 5-spoke 18-inch alloy wheels. The interior features black Tahara upholstery, an alternative to real leather, and also includes a 7-inch display screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, reversing camera, intelligent clearance sonar system, auto-dimming rearview mirror, heated seats and rear privacy glass. The Lexus Safety System Plus comes as standard, providing peace of mind to drivers with several assistance systems, such as pre-collision system, with daytime and nighttime pedestrian and daytime cyclist detection, lane trace assist, road sign assist, dynamic radar cruise control and automatic high beams. Power is supplied by a hybrid powertrain that combines a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 1 or 2 electric motors in 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive spec respectively, pumping out 181 horsepower in both variants. The new UX 250h Premium Sport Edition is already on sale in the UK, alongside the rest of the 2021 UX range. Pricing starts at £33,150, equaling to $44,343 at the current exchange rates, an £850 premium over the premium pack. The entry-level UX starts at £29,950 locally, and the lineup also includes the F-Sport and Takumi, available from £34,785 and £41,500, respectively. The most expensive model is the UX Takumi E4, which is priced from £42,850.